Click on the subscribe button and press the bell icon.
Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Free UK Tutorial. So in this video I'll be going to show you how to set google.com as a default search engine in Google Chrome and Firefox browser. So let's begin the tutorial. So let's first open Google Chrome browser. Now if I search anything on the address bar, the search result will be displayed in the yahoo.com. so you can see here when I type anything in the address bar, it display the search result into the google.com. so if you need to, or if you want to sense this default search engine into google.com, then you need to go into this setting by clicking on these three dots. Click on it and click setting. Now on the left side, click on search engine. Now here, search engine used in the address bar. Now click on the drop down arrow and here you select the Google, and here also manage search engine. Click on it, and now you can see here now google.com is set as a default search engine. You can see here. Now let's try again by typing, or you can see here it's already displayed Google search engine in the home page of the Chrome browser. So now close it and now come to Firefox browser. How you can sense default search engine to Google Chrome in Firefox. In the Firefox, click on these three lines for the setting and click on the preference. Now click on search. Now here you can see here default search engine, so it is showing as the Bing as the default search engine. Now click on the drop down arrow here. Now select the Google. Now try here by typing. Now you can see here the default search engine is displayed as a google.com in the Firefox also. So in this way you can easily make a default search engine from different search engine to google.com in Firefox and Google Chrome browser. So if you are finding this video useful for you, click on the like button and subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon for the latest updates. And thanks for watching my video.